Hello everybody, this is Lauren of Plan Mosh Plan. Welcome back to another plan with me. This week I am planning Valentine's Day. This is a memory spread for Valentine's Day using a kit from Crafts by Thaowie. I'm showing you it now. I think it turned out well. I'm gonna be honest, not one of my favorite spreads that I've ever done. And I think a part of that was because I wasn't very well prepared for it. I had so many options, I felt like, of Valentine's Day kits, and none of them made it to me. So, although some of them are starting to trickle in now, so I think I'll be doing more kind of Valentine's spreads. But this is a kit I've had in my collection for a while now, and I've always just been holding on to it as like a kind of anytime kit. And I think that I had originally planned to use it in February because it does have. It's like very pink, and it has some of these really kind of interesting black and white florals, and it has some like lingerie and Jo Malone perfume, stuff like that. So I think was thinking I'd probably pull it out in February, but I didn't plan on using it for actual like Valentine's Day. So yeah. So anyways, it turned out cute. Just maybe not my like all-time favorite spread that I've ever done. I was originally planning on using a Hello Petite paper kit for this week, and then House of Stickers offered to send me a kit too. That was very Valentine's Day themed in my opinion, that I was gonna maybe do this weekend. It's was very red roses kind of a thing. And then I ended up buying another Crafts by Thaowie kit because none of those are both international shops, and none of them had made it to me. So anyways, okay, let's see. I think too, if I should talk about where I am in my kind of catch up with the planning here. So, if you're new, if you didn't see my last video, this is my new planner going into 2021. It's an Aura Estelle Cloud planner with Caress Press inserts, which I'm loving so far. I have filmed another spread that I've already done, and it's ready. I just need to edit it, and then I'm also in the middle of filming a couple more spreads this weekend. So hopefully I'll have some new planner stuff up soon. It's been a really busy last couple of weeks, but I'm about a week away from my coworker coming back from maternity leave, so I'm really looking forward to that and hoping to have a little bit more time when she's back. Although we're getting busier and busier, so I don't know. We'll see if that actually happens. Anyways, that's kind of where I'm at in playing catch up. I do tend to like to upload my Plan With Me's in chronological order for the most part, just because I feel like it's easier to follow along. It's easier for me to talk about when I'm doing the memory plan voiceovers if I can talk about stuff in chronological order. But at the same time, I also like to put up seasonal stuff in the right seasons, and that tends to be what makes me like skip over weeks. So right now I'm still hoping that I can get the rest of January up in February, and then get some of these February spreads up in February as well. We'll see. I'm probably not all of them, but that's my hope. This weekend, like I said, I have been so busy the past couple of weekends, but this weekend I don't have any plans, and I've kind of said no to a lot of plans just because I'm like, all I want is just to sit down and plan in my planner and play catch up, and just enjoy doing that. So, all right. Okay, normally this is when I would answer some questions, but I didn't pull any out because I felt like I was going to have a lot to say during this part. I guess I can just talk about the stickers that I used. Most everything was from the kit. I added some bow dividers from Sadie Stickers over top of the headers because Crafts by Thawie's kits come with two sets of headers. One is foiled and one is not. So I used the not foiled ones up at the top, and then I added the Sadie Stickers bow dividers over those. I prefer to use bow dividers if I'm going to foil a header instead of like a header. What is the word I'm thinking of? I don't use them, so I can't really think of the word. You know, when they're clear. Overlay, there it is. I prefer to use dividers instead of overlays, just because I don't like how overlays look and photograph with so much glossy paper. And then the date dots I used, I've gotten some questions about this recently. My favorite ones are from Sadie Stickers again. That's the ones that I'm using this week. I really like that they're squared off. Sometimes she does squared off ones, sometimes she does circle ones in her $2 Tuesdays, but I always grab them when they're the squared off ones because I really like squared off ones. They're just easier to make straight, I find, anything square. And then as far as the sidebar, the script that I use in the upper left-hand corner is from Letters to Apollo, and then the rest of the stuff in the sidebar, the kind of functional pieces, are from the kit. And then down here, I've been marking how many weeks I've been working from home. It is rapidly approaching a full year of working from home, which is crazy, and I'm going to be working from home for sure through July, which is just nuts. So I love it though, and I never want it to end, but that's okay. I used a white deer stationery sticker to mark that, and then some pretty Pinkco bows here, spoiled planner bows. Anyways, I cut up a bunch of deco and added a bunch of foiled stuff at the bottom. They're actually all from different shops, so if you want to know more about that, leave me a comment and I will try and get back to you about what stickers I used. Okay, so moving on to the week here. You can see I'm cutting out some deco. I actually had a hard time planning with the floral deco in this kit just because it was these really beautiful black and white flowers. But I just had there wasn't a whole lot of it, and so I kind of ended up struggling a bit, I think, with the floral deco in this kit. But that's okay. Anyways, okay, so Monday, I marked that I slept in this morning, and that just means that I didn't wake up. I woke up right before I needed to start work is what that means. And then I marked that we had a call with our bank. Stephen and I don't know if I've mentioned this. I think I did in maybe my last video, but Stephen and I are in the process of buying a house right now. So we're having lots of calls with the bank and with real estate agent and blah, blah, blah. All that is just like never ending. It's like a second time job, I feel, right now. I'm sure I'll talk a lot more about the home buying process, but I just used one of the boxes from the layering add-on, and then that phone is from White Deer Stationery, and the bow is from my spoiled planner. I have a ton of those bows, like just kind of kiss cut tiny bow deco that I like to add to on top of icons, and I've been obsessed with the ones from my spoiled planner right now. They are super cute. I do have a coupon code for her shop that sounded like it was very sponsory. It's definitely not, but coupon code is down below, as well as many others if you're interested. I also marked meal prepping and another call here. Again, yeah, another White Deer Stationery phone, my spoiled planner, kind of the same thing. And then I also decided that I was going to, because I was struggling because I didn't have the amount of deco that I would have preferred to have. Like I bought the add-on deco sheet, but it was very like large clip art kind of deco that I didn't really like. Like it was like pieces of furniture and stuff. It just wasn't really my thing personally, so I was kind of struggling because I didn't have the floral deco to pull in, and I didn't feel like pulling in a lot of the florals that I do have worked with this kit. And it kind of hit me later, as like maybe all the way through Monday, where I was like, oh, you know what would work with this kit is lace. Like there's a lot of lingerie and it's Valentine's Day themed, so I decided to pull in these two different lace washi kind of divider, big, I don't know what you call them. Anyways, they're from Bloom Paper Studio, and I pulled those in kind of throughout the kit as well to take up some space, and I thought it just worked. I thought it matched, like I said, with the lingerie. It matched with the like scallops that came from the layering kit or add-on, so I enjoyed that. I have a coupon code to her as well, and you can also get my freebie, which has that lace piece that I used on top of Tuesday on it. And then, yeah, not a whole lot of really interesting stuff here, and I mostly just used, on Tuesday is kind of a boring day, I mostly just used stuff from the kit there. Yeah, stuff from the kit. Lots of Crafts by Thaowie icons. That's the good thing about Crafts by Thaowie is I love her kits, and I also love her icons, and I have a ton of them, so when I use them all together, that feels very like cohesive, and I feel like my spreads with her kits tend to look cohesive because of that. Okay, on Tuesday, I marked a maintenance visit. I marked my meetings this week. I alternated the scallops from her layering add-on with some scallops from Sweet Bella XOXO. I thought that they matched really well, and they were the exact right color, and the sizing and like pattern of them I just felt like was a really good complement to the ones from the kit. I also marked here, well, I marked that I got a bunch of stuff for Valentine's Day on this day. I've been trying to be good about giving Steven gifts that are his love language, which is acts of service. So my solution for that was to like buy a bunch of Valentine's decorations, and I just purchased a bunch of stuff from Amazon that day for that, and I used everything theirs from the kit, including the deco, and then the rest of the day, Wednesday, again, nothing too interesting, and I think I've already talked about those stickers for the most part. Same phone. I love that phone, and I felt like the phone from White Deer Stationery that I've been using has looked so cute because it's kind of like old-timey, like, I don't know, I feel like this kit looks like a kind of Parisian hotel, which I feel like the hotels that I've been to in Paris have been kind of a little like vintagey like looking, and I feel like that phone just matches, so I loved using it a bunch because I feel like that's the kind of phone you would see there. Anyways, okay. So on Thursday, again, just not too crazy of a day. I marked that we made taco salads. I worked really late this night, not late in the evening, but I just worked like probably till like 7 or 8 or something this evening. And then I marked going to bed early. So I used a Miss and Meow little sleep mask for that, super cute. And then I cut up some of the pieces of deco and also used one of the like layering circles that came with the kit to mark that. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like the pieces of deco, in like person, if you look up close, it looks really good, but from far away, I don't know how well it translates really. Okay, moving on to Friday. I had a busy day working on Friday. So I marked, at first I marked an Amazon Fresh delivery with just some stuff from the kit. And because I was super busy, Steven had a more laid back Friday. So he went and picked up coffee for me, which was really sweet. So I marked that with just some stickers from the kit. Right here, I'm marking some like work announcements that I send out once a month. So I used a White Deer Stationery sticker and then layered it with the kit stuff from the kit here too. I had painted my nails a couple times this week, and I don't always mark it, but I really like her nail polish, and I had put this down on Monday, and then I had so many other things that I actually wanted to mark on Monday, so I pulled it up and redid it here to put on Friday when I painted my nails again. I really like it, but I don't like that I did two kind of centered, like the size and the positioning of those centered pieces of deco are like the same to me. So I wish that I had something in between them because it looks really imbalanced. The fact that they're not on alternating sides of the column or something. I don't know how to describe that. I'm not sure, but if you know what I mean. I wish I would have like offset them, I think. That would have helped. But anyways, okay. I also marked that Steven and I watched the Framing Britney documentary this evening, which is so sad. I'm not normally one to like care a whole lot about celebrities or celebrity like drama or gossip, but I was a little kid who was obsessed with Britney Spears, and the whole situation is just so sad. I follow her on Instagram, and it's crazy, just like the person that I used to be obsessed with when I was a kid. And then you can see she definitely has like something so off on her Instagram now. But then watching the documentary of like what her life is like and the whole conservatorship is just also seems so wrong to me. I don't know. I feel like Steven and I have been talking about it for like years. So we really enjoyed watching that documentary on Friday. Okay, I've kind of skipped over Saturday, but Steven and I went wine tasting up in Napa on Saturday. I think, was this the second time? Yeah, basically California reopened a bunch of stuff, and you could do wine tasting outside on in the wineries there, and we were so excited. This is like, I think I went 2 weekends in a row. Like the first weekend they opened, we went up. I was so excited. So Steven and I kind of did our Valentine's Day this day. He set it all up and was really sweet. We went to a winery that we've been to many times and we knew we wanted to be a wine club member at, so we went to that winery first and we signed up to be wine club members there, which is really exciting after the tasting there. And then we drove to Sonoma and went to another winery, or really a tasting room for a winery that we're already members of, and then did a tasting there. We went to this place, it's called a Salumeria, I think. It's like a salami deli specifically, and we got such good food there. And then we drove home, and I was so hungover, it was unbelievable. I thought we were gonna like do all this in the morning, early afternoon, and I'd come home and have a really productive day. No, I was like going to die, like just spent the rest of the evening in bed pretty much. And then a few hours later, late at night, I filmed like a tiny bit of a spread, maybe the beginning of the spread, but just couldn't do much. All right, and then I've kind of almost skipped past Valentine's Day, but we had a super busy Valentine's Day. Like I said, I tried to do a very like go all out for Steven for Valentine's Day, because he doesn't really like gifts or anything, but he does appreciate the like, if I like decorate and I make him like treats and do all that, he appreciates all that. So I got up super early. I went to Target to kind of finish a couple like shopping things that I needed. And I spent all morning like making a bunch of treats. I made a big brunch for him. I decorated. I did that whole thing. So that was really fun. And then his parents stopped by and they had dropped off cookies that his mom made for us, some of his favorite cookies, and she went and dropped them off at like all of my different family members, which was really sweet too. And then in the afternoon, we went and did 3 home tours of places we were considering buying. And then after that, we went over to my parents' house and did a pizza night out in the pizza oven that my parents have with my aunt and uncle. So super busy day. Most of the stickers that I used are from Crafts by Thaowie or White Deer Stationery, but again, if you have any questions about the stickers I used that day, definitely let me know. As always, I am showing you all of the leftovers, and I put them down into a sticker kit or a sticker book that I'm going to give away once it fills up a little bit. And that's pretty much it. Here is the kit again. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Again, I had fun doing it. Not my favorite spread of all time, but I still think it turned out really cute. Let me know what you think. I always like to hear in the comments down below. But other than that, I hope you're staying safe and well. Thanks, everybody. Bye.